back to the channel. It's your boy Roxy. Before this video even gets started, I need to do a proper thing that I should have done last video. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means a ton, bro. We've been like, grinding the channel, and I appreciate all of you people that have decided to stick around. Yeah, we're gonna keep the content rolling. Another thing before we really get into the start of the video, I want to know where you guys are from. Comment down below what state you're actually watching this video from, what country. If you're like, watching from like, I don't know, India, like the Philippines, like Mexico, let me know. I'm curious to know like where all the viewers are from. So we're actually gonna get down into the video now. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the car, see everything that I have done to it. I actually got some new paddle shifters as well, which is pretty neat. Let's get out the car and then I'll like show you everything, and then we'll come back and how much I pay for my RT, how I got my RT, how you can get one too. Okay, so this is my 2021 Dodge Charger RT next to a Ford Mustang. JK, this is Raven, bro. Roxy was my V6 Charger, but we're here now. We're here. So I have a couple mods. I have the lip, made a video on that. We have the stripes. I'm probably gonna actually finish the pinstripes. I could do that today. It's not too hot, but I like the look for a while, so I was rocking like that. Fog lights, tinted, Daytona wheels on here. We moved the Hemi badge. We did the 345 Hemi, so that looks good. I don't have my front license plate on, so we got to put that on for in case HPD is watching this. This is just for photos. So the back we have our custom tail light tints, so that's cut off. And then we also have the diffuser. I'm probably gonna get 5-inch tips pretty soon. The Spoiler King. We have our Spoiler King thing. If you want one, you can check them out. They're really cool people over there. And then we have a black spoiler. Came stock with white, but the black looks so much better. And then also now, this is from Stitching Cover. They were kind enough to send these paddle shifters that I'll show you guys more so when we get in the car, but this has been phenomenal and just makes shifting that much more cooler. My water bottle's up there because I was using that as a tripod, but that wasn't gonna work out too good. Go ahead and give you guys a cold start. So that's how it looks with the fog lights, guys. Pretty legit. Oh my God. Welcome back to the car. So we're gonna be talking about how much I paid for my Charger RT. Not only, it's a lot of money still. My RT cost me $30,000 in 2021. Bought it in 2022, which is a pretty good deal, bro. Like, I got lucky. I don't know if you guys remember, but basically new cars and used cars are kind of priced around the same amount, bro, but you have to kind of have like looked, and it's still kind of like that right now. Sister, she just got the Kia, right? Her first car. So my people, they were looking at like Kias and stuff like that. It didn't make sense to really go with a used Kia because it's like a price difference of like 3-4K. You might as well just hop into something new. With me, I actually hopped into a used RT. The reason for that is because this RT 2021 and then 2022, it was like a 10 to 14K difference. I just graduated college. Then I'm trying to get into med school, so like it didn't really make sense for me to like hop into a 40K car right now. 30s is cool. You have a little bit of wiggle room. Like, yeah, it's not exactly what I want. Let me hold up. There's like a UPS. I'm trying to see if they're gonna come. It's a 30 and 40,000. It's a huge difference to me, bro. I'm like, okay, 30,000 is not what I want, bro. But like at the same time, it's fun. If I'm spending 40K, bro, like I need that to like be exactly what I want. I'm saying? 40K and up, that's like my cutoff point. How that worked. So I hopped into a used RT. The mileage is pretty good. Did the whole Carfax thing, looked at it. Make sure nothing's crazy with the car. I was involved in no accidents and stuff like that. Of course, it's gonna have its kinks, like scratch on the side, but it's like only things that like you really notice. It's nothing that's like a make or break for the car. When I got the car, it's like bone stock, bro. Like nothing was done to it. Not even the mufflers deleted. Like brand new almost. So 2021, I got it 2022. So yeah, like they didn't have any time to really do anything to it. I've done what I wanted to the car and everything like that, and that's been pretty good. Financing this car is go through a credit union. That's some advice that I can give to people. You need to make sure your credit's good. What really helped my credit, just being like fresh into like early adulthood, of course, like credit cards. And I know that credit cards get like a bad stigma, but if you have a credit card and like you're spending $200 you're paying that off in full, right? And you do that for like a solid year. You don't ask for like limit increases. Like you only spend what you're able to spend. That's going to be good. Consistent income, you're pretty good, bro. You're pretty good. So you should be able to get like approved through a credit union. I wouldn't bro, 10 times out of 10. When you go to these dealerships, they're going to be like, hey, listen, you can finance through us. They'll like work with like a little small bank. They'll be like, look, we'll get you the car. We'll get you a little discount too if you go through us. We'll throw in like some amenities like free oil changes and things like that. Bro, don't fall for that. Don't do that. They want you to do that, whatever. It's because so they can like get their money back with the high like interest. Interest is what kills you, bro. You don't need to do all that, bro. Like, go to the credit union, like have your money on, like have your stuff already together, bro, before you go and you like talk to these like dealerships, because you don't want to get hustled at the dealership, bro. My monthly payments right now for my RT, they're around like $740. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's different, bro. Like with the with the V6, I was paying like 400 or something. So yeah, insurance is crazy. I know dudes with scats, bro, they're in like 9s, and of course if you have the Hellcat, you're up there. And I think I'm about to get kicked out of this spot. Maybe not. Maybe not. He's gonna keep going. But yeah, no, man. So 7.4, it's not bad. It's doable. So like, yeah, I guess in terms of advice that I could give to, you know, other people that are in my position too, you know, either like fresh out of college or like just early 20s type. You gotta have to budget. You know, you're gonna have to decide like, okay, this is something that I really want. And that's gonna come with sacrifices. Like you can't, you know, go out and just spend frivolously on like shoes and clothes. Like as a car person and a gym person, all my money's either going to pre-workout supplements, things like that, or it's going to car parts and car payments and you know, girlfriend and stuff like that. That's about it. Other little bills and stuff here and there, but you'll still have money left over. But you just need to make sure, like, you know, you're responsible when it comes to your finances. I feel like if this is something you really want to get into, you need to have your head screwed on like for like at least a solid year or so before fully committing, just to know like, okay, like this job, I'm making enough bread to like be in a comfortable position, and then, you know, you can transition to that point of like, okay, like I can start looking, okay, cool, I have like an institution that I can roll with to get approved with everything. And then, yeah, no, you just go from there, just to give them a little bit more clarity of like what they should be paying for an RT. And, you know, based on what I paid and like how their monthly payment should be looking and stuff like that. There's the UPS guy again. I think that's going to go ahead and wrap up this video probably. I hope this helps you guys out a ton, bro. Again, thank you guys for 1K, bro. It really means a lot. We're going to keep the content rolling. Catch you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. I'll be more than ecstatic to, you know, help out with those. And I also think we're like 15 subscribers. We're like 15 followers away on Insta from like hitting 10K. So after, you know, you join the family on this channel, you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, head over to Instagram, bro. Post fire content over there too. And make sure to follow, just so we can make sure we're comfortably in that 10K, you know, category. So I really appreciate all the support, guys. I appreciate all the growth that this channel has been having, and we're going to keep going. So without further ado, YouTube, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.